So here we are. I want to begin with a little sip of coffee from the Moz 42 coffee mug. Sensational, thank you Moz. Now you all know how I hate unboxing videos, so I've already opened the box. Here is the windscreen or spoiler and instructions and the parts needed to put this all together. I don't know how to do it yet, so bear with me while I read the instructions and then we'll put it together and whack it on the bike and see how it goes. This way. Alright, that looks pretty logical so far. Comes with an Allen key. This looks pretty basic and straightforward. Who needs instructions? Can you see through the screen? Screen down. Through here, I'm guessing. And a washer. There. Can you see it? And this part to there. And we have adjustable screen height and angle. Easy enough. Loosen, adjust clumsily. This is the part that's frustrating me. This, maybe I've got it on the wrong side. I'll try it on the other side and see if it's better. Inside there. Like so. And what are the little metal things for then? What are my little metal plates for? What do these do? Where do you put these? Would they go inside here? So the Allen keys. It's the only logical place I can see where they go. What do you think? If I've done it wrong, let me know. Because this is a little bit, made in China. Which is okay, as long as it works. It has to be. I can't see any other way for it to work. Alright, let's go outside and stick it on the bike. Looks pretty simple. Just being careful not to lose those little metal plates that I had underneath the rubber here. Okay, there's plenty of room there. It slides on relatively easily. I'm sure once it's in place it won't be removed for a long time, so it should be fine. Come on. Oh, damn it. There we go. As easy as that, just slide it in place. Get your Allen key, tighten it up, I suppose. And don't drop your Allen key into your bike. There it is, I can see it. Oh dear. I'm already feeling a bit skeptical with this system, so I would recommend keeping this Allen key with your bike all the time while you've got this thing on. Yeah, I don't trust it, to be honest. But we will see how it goes. I want that to be very tight. That looks reasonably good. Just going to jump up here and see how it goes with height. So it's added about 6 inches of height, and I suppose the screen right up, I may need to change the angle and make it just a touch lower. There's quite a gap through here. Oh well, we'll experiment and see how it goes, I suppose. Let's go for it. Right, so I've just bought myself some Permalock, and I brought my Allen key with me, so I'm going to do it while I'm here. Center it up. Now those two little metal plates are absolutely hopeless. They've already been bent all out of shape. Look at them, hopeless. What a horrible design, really. Does that look centered? Yeah, that looks centered now. Alright. So at 60 k's an hour up here, I'm getting normal buffeting, clean wind, buffeting, nothing. Let's get up to speed and see what happens. Bit of dirt, take it easy. Alright, watching my exit point. This is second gear, this bike. Okay, 100 kilometers an hour, all the way down. Just like normal, me, being tall. I'm in the wind. Get the screen up. I can actually feel air on my back now. That makes a bit of difference. I can tell that. I can actually feel wind pushing me forward from the sides of my helmet. Down here, nothing. Wow. Up here I'm still getting some buffeting, but it's definitely a slight improvement. But I'll have to say it's only slight. Might have to muck around with the angle of that a little bit.